Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka Gautam and welcome to Priyanka's Pathshala. So here I'm again with you, your Jolly Phonics and your Jolly Grammar instructor to tell you more about what is a sentence. I hope you have seen my last video that is about proper noun and common noun. So today we are going to discuss about the sentences. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, do hit the subscribe button to know more about this Jolly Grammar sequence. So this is about what is a sentence. So let's move on. This is our sentence jingle. So a sentence is complete when 5 simple rules it meets. So it has a subject and the verb and it makes sense with every word and a capital letter and a punctuation mark. And now our sentence has all its parts. So, but remember, subject and verb and complete sense with a capital letter and marks too. A sentence is complete and now we are through. Okay, so what things we need to remember? That we should remember like in the sentence there should be a subject, a verb, a sense, punctuation marks and add a capital letter while we are writing a sentence. The first letter should be a capital and keep one finger space while writing a sentence. Okay, so here I have given examples like I am the spotty snake. Is it a sentence? No, there is no meaning, there is no sense of the sentence, so this is not a correct sentence, right? But if I will say I am a girl, the spotty snake slithers, is it a sentence? Yes, this is a sentence. Why? Because there is a sense, there is a capital letter, there is a sense, there is a verb, there is a subject and punctuation mark, everything is there. So this is, we can say, the perfect sentence. Now it's your turn to make the perfect sentences. Okay, see here we have some words and we are going to arrange these words and we are going to make a sentence. So here you can see the picture and we will make a one perfect sentence. Like here, pond swims duck the. So we are going to arrange it. Let's get started. So who is there? So there is a subject we need to write, means who is doing, who is there in the main part of the picture. So there is a duck. So a duck, what is a duck doing? Duck swims, that's a verb. So a duck swims where? A duck swims on a pond. So this is our complete sentence. Now we are going to add that period. Okay, now the next one, you can see the picture. To the run chicks nest the. So here, what is there? What's the main part? So we can see there is a chicks. Okay, so the chicks, what are the chicks doing? Chicks run, there is an action, that's a verb, right? After verb, what should we add? Then sense, the chicks runs where? The chicks runs to the nest. Now we can add the period. So this is our complete sentence. Here also you can see more examples. The on the grass snake slithers. So we need to write the correct sentence like the. Who is there in the picture? Snake. What is the snake doing? Slithers. And where? On the grass. So this is our sentence. The snake slithers on the grass. Now the next, who is there? Duck. The same sentence again. A duck swims on the pond. And the next one, you can see the cat is on the tree. So we can see we are talking about the cat in the picture. So the cat, what is the cat doing? The cat is sleeping. Where? On the tree branch. So this is our complete sentence. Here there are some mistakes in the sentence. So we need to find out what are the mistakes. Can you guess? What are the mistakes? So here the first sentence is the sky is blue. That is a subject. Yes. There is a verb, there is an action word, no, but there is helping verb, that is. So it is also correct. Sense is also there. But is there a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence? No. So we should write the first letter capital. And is there a punctuation marks at the end? No. So we should add punctuation mark. So our complete sentence would be like this. It is T should be capital. So the sky is blue and period. Now our sentence is complete. Now this is your homework, that you need to find out the mistakes in these all sentences and you need to write it. You can write in the comment also. Now we are go through with the sentences. I hope you understood about what is a sentence, what are the parts of the sentence, and what do we need to remember to frame a sentences. Thank you so much to watch my video and be connected. We'll meet you soon with the new parts of speech according to Jolly Grammar. Have a nice day.